To my channel. Yeah, the name is Sakhelo Shenge or Sakhelo Ecomm. Yeah, go by those usernames, by those handles and everything. So basically this video is going to be about something that a lot of people don't do before they get into dropshipping. Yeah, it's something important that no one actually speaks about, but this is going to save you tons of money and also save you on a lot of chargebacks, a lot of customer complaints. They receive your orders late and stuff like that. So I highly recommend that you watch this video because it's going to save you a lot of money. Okay, so what you're going to do is, okay, let me just minimize my screen a bit. Right to the side. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on, there's this link that I was using yesterday. Okay, it's called, what is it? Right. I don't know why this is going to the back now. But anyway, it's still recording. So yeah, what you want to do is, let me just try and sort this out first. Sorry guys. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to go on Google and you're gonna go to this link. You're gonna search Facebook customer, what is it? Facebook customer survey, yeah. That's what you're gonna search, and let me just give you the right link. Okay, but I'm actually gonna add the link in my description, so don't worry about this. Actually, I was using this link yesterday. I'm just not sure if it's this one. Let me just look. So yeah, guys, basically you're just gonna type in, okay, just type in this link, right? Okay, now I should have actually copied it here. Just put in that link, it's gonna work, and just sign in. No, it's signed in with the wrong account. Okay, please just bear with me, just a bit. Right. Yeah, so most people don't usually do this before they even start setting up their pages and stuff. This is actually the most important thing that you should be doing. It's going to save you a lot of chargebacks, a lot of bad reviews, and reducing your chances of getting banned from Facebook, stuff like that. Anyway, let me just use this page, even though it's something that I don't use anymore. Okay, so here on the right side you can see there's a tab. It's gonna say set delivery speed. It's gonna say set delivery speed, right? And then you're gonna click on that tab. Then from 4 weeks you're gonna extend it to 9 weeks, and then you're just gonna say save. Let me just move this bit. And you're just gonna say save. This doesn't really matter unless you actually wanted to add any specific country or whatsoever, but it's not really that important. As long as you just tell Facebook upfront that my average delivery speed is it's more than 9 weeks after purchase, it's fine. It's going to save you a lot of headaches. And you're just going to click save, then you're done. Yeah. So that's it. I just wanted to give you guys. Hopefully it helps, and let me know if you want more tips like this. Yeah, I'm gonna release more content, and I hope you guys are gonna subscribe. Peace.